What's up everyone, welcome to in this video I will show you how to fix the Snapchat lag issue on your Redmi 13. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on the power button and then swipe down this white circle, and when the circle gets green it means your phone is ready to restart. So just lift up your finger and your phone will be restarted. And after restarting, if it doesn't fix your lag issue in Snapchat app, then try updating the phone's software. So open settings, now tap on about phone and then tap on software version. Now from here check if your phone software is up to date or not. So if you have any update available, then update your phone to the latest version, and after that the lag issue in the Snapchat app will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then the last solution is try reinstalling the Snapchat app. So just simply go to Play Store, search for the Snapchat app. Now from here tap on uninstall and then tap on install, and after installing the Snapchat will start working properly. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.